it's always something very special to throw yourself off a cliff.
Virtual reality is a fully immersive experience that you can bring people into. We've got just the most amazing footage of this crazy sport captured on really high-quality VR cameras.
With that camera, you can get as close as you can of what we are experiencing flying in the sky.
Who hasn't wondered what it would be like to fly like a bird? In reality, it's really intense and scary. And when I was in the headset, you just get the beauty and the wildness of it.
Oh my God, look at that reveal! Ah!
No one's ever done this before. We had to build all the cameras from scratch.
Just want like 2 days of good weather, you know, just 2 days.
I've never been so intimidated by a work project.